Classification of animal kingdom. The kingdom Animalia is divided into 35 phyla, of which 11 are considered as major phyla and rest are called minor phyla. About 99% of animals are without backbone and are called invertebrates, while the animals having a backbone are called vertebrates. On the basis of notochord kingdom, Animalia is divided into two sections: non-chordates and chordates. Non-chordates absent notochord in non-chordate and notochord present in at least in some stages of the development in chordates. And non-chordates accounts for 95% of total animal species and in divided into the following phyla. First, animal kingdom on the basis of cell, unicellular and multicellular. And unicellular in protozoa, and thus multicellular organisms except protozoans, all organisms are multicellular. And the protozoa, the example of protozoa divided into three classes. First, Sarcodina. Second, Sarcodina, example amoeba. Second is Sporozoa, spores like organism, Plasmodium. And third, Ciliata, means ciliary locomotory organ in Paramecium. And the it's a acellular organisms भी कह सकते हैं. And protist, all protozoans are a protist. And the asymmetrical like a poriferans cellular level start in this phylum. And the sponges, it's including three classes: Calcarea, example Cycon, Hylospongia, Euplactella, the common name of Euplactella, it's a Venus basket. And the Demospongi is Spongilla, in example in Demospongi, Spongilla, it's an example. Spongilla like a bath sponge, and the other type of pubic stones are including in this class. And the next radial symmetrical or next phyla is the Ctenophora. And ctenophores is also known as the coelentrates. And the coelentrates including Hydra. And the coelentrates divided into three classes: Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa and Anthrozoa. Hydrozoa example Hydra, Scyphozoa का example Aurelia, and Anthrozoa का C. anemone metridium. And the radial symmetry are diploblastic in nature. And diploblastic means the ectoderm and endoderm between the mesoglia. Mesoglia, a liquid containing site, and the in coelentrates only, but it's a germinal layer in advanced organisms: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. But in case of coelentrates, mesodermal layer, it's a less developed in form of mesoglia. And the other phylum is a Platyhelminthes. It's a triploblastic Triploblastic means 3-layered structure. Bilateral symmetry. Acoelomate means less body cavity, less developed, or acoelomate, no gut-like structure inside. And platyhelminthes, example flatworms, are divided into 3 classes. Turbellaria, example planaria, free living. Planaria very active for regeneration. Any part of body cut at this site of the planaria, then form new organisms, and very active regeneration ability. And Trematoda, example liver fluke, ecto and endo parasite like behavior, liver fluke. And the Cestoda, the tapeworm, are a endoparasite, mostly endoparasite. It's hanging inside the alimentary canal. And pinch, the mouth, and hanging in large intestine, and shifted by the raw flesh of pig. And next phylum, Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes pseudocoelomate means coelomate, coelom, body cavity, body system. And the Aschelminthes classes, Aschelminthes example roundworm or Ascaris. And Ascaris causes a type of disease Ascariasis. And the class of Ascaris, first Phasmida. Phasmida, example Vaucheria. Vaucheria, type of elephantiasis disease causing agent. And next phyla is Mollusca, Eucoelomate. And Mollusca, example Pila. And the mollusca are divided into 3 classes: gastropoda, snails, including snails. And lamellibranchi, ostrus or unio, example of lamellibranchi or bivalvia भी कह सकते हैं इसको क्लास. एंड थर्ड वन इज cephalopods. Cephalopoda, example octopus. And next phylum is annelids. Annelids, example earthworm. And earthworm is a hermaphrodite organism, because male and female male and female reproductive part found in one body. And the classes Oligochaeta, example earthworm. Polychaeta, Nereis, sandworm including. And Hirudinaria, leech, example leech, jonk. And next Echinodermata, last invertebrates. Next arthropods. Arthropods, insects, in largest phylum of the animal kingdom. And all insects including arthropods. And arthro means joint, pod means legs. And it's divided into 7 classes. First one is Arachnida, example spider. Second, Oncophora, example Peripatus. Third, Crustacea, crab and prawn including. And Merostomata, Limulus, king crabs, example. Chilopoda, example centipede, means 100 legs organisms including centipedes, black in color and short in size, and terrestrial organism. And the Diplopoda, millipedes, 1000 legs. सेंटीपीड, गोजर सुना होगा. मिलीपीड मीन्स ब्लैक कलर का एक स्मॉल क्रिएचर ऑन लैंड इन रेनी सीजन दिखता है ये. insect. Next, last class, insecta, honeybees and silverfish and cockroach and all type of insects including butterfly, etc. And last, next, echinodermata. Echinodermata is starfish including, and the class Asteroidea. And hemicardata, balanoglossus. The example of hemicardata, balanoglossus. And the cardates, the largest phylum is cardates, and cardates includes the Urocardata, Cephalocardata and Vertebrata. Urocardata means the talar part containing bones. Primitive card present in Hardmania, in case of Hardmania. And main character, retrogressive metamorphosis. Metamorphosis occurs in Hardmania. And Cephalocardata, Amphioxus. Amphioxus means the middle part of the body, tail to middle part. It's containing bony. And the progressive metamorphosis, type of metamorphosis, progressive and retrogressive, most important question. And the vertebrates further divided into two parts, agnatha and gnathostomata. Agnatha, jawless, are gnathostomata, jawed organisms present. And agnatha, the class cyclostomata. And cyclostomata, the example of cyclostomata, petromyzon. A petromyzon, jawless fishes, it's attached on the bottom of the sharkfish for the shelter, and very long traveling inside the oceanic region. And the gnathostomata divided into two parts, Pisces and tetrapoda. Pisces means the fishes including, and the two type of fish, like first chondrichthyes and second ostrichthyes. Chondrichthyes like is Coliodon. Example of chondrichthyes means body made up of cartilage, and ostrichthyes body made up of bones. And the type of scales, ostrichthyes cycloid scales containing, and chondrichthyes placoid scales containing. And hippocampus and labiorohita including ostrichthyes. And the other tetrapod, it's divided into four classes, amphibia, frogs, reptiles, snakes, aves, birds and mammalia, man and whale. And whale, mammals divided into two classes, Prototheria and Theria. Prototheria, example duckbill platypus. Duckbill platypus, it's laying egg. It's an exceptional connective link between reptiles and mammals, because it's a teats present, and the feeding of babies and the egg laying organisms. And the Theria, Metatheria, kangaroos are marsupials. Marsupials means a pouch like, the baby protect on a pouch, the outer bag like structure on the abdomen region of the animal. And the Eutheria including placental organisms like a human beings. Thank you so much.